So this is how you change your meeting Zoom link for students to just keep it changing so that you prevent the link from being shared, the passcode in the meeting ID. So you're going to want to go to zoom.us and you're going to click on My Account. It's going to take you to this page. Now you can't change your personal meeting ID, but you can schedule a meeting. I'll make mine for next week. So week of October 5th, and it's already there because I practiced it. Don't need a description. Change the date. It's going to be starting on the 5th. Make sure that the time is reflected, 9 a.m. And I'm going to make it for more hours than I need. It's going to be a recurring meeting. You're going to end it. Maybe I want to keep this link just next week. We don't have school Friday, so I'll make it till the 8th. I'm going to keep my password the same. Enable the waiting room. Make sure that my video's on. You could make it that students' videos have to be on when they enter, but for privacy purposes, I let them keep it off. Disable joining before host for sure. Make sure you mute participants upon entry. You can pre-assign your breakout rooms if you want, but I don't need to do that, and I don't need to automatically record the meeting. So you save it, and you're going to highlight the invite link, copy it, go to your Schoology page. Now I'm going to edit my Zoom link that I had, erase the old meeting info, erase the old link, post a new link, click me at 9:20 a.m. Attach, and then you'll want to save changes. I'm not going to save changes because I don't want to change it just yet, but then the link will be updated.